Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 1 of class 7th DAV English Literature Monkey Trouble Back Exercise. Understanding the story A. Some statements based on the story are given below. Tick T for true statements and F for false statements. Rewrite the false statements after making corrections. 1. The entertainer who sold Tutu had three other monkeys. Answer false. The street entertainer who sold Tutu had two other monkeys. 2 part. Rocky often gave chocolates and walnuts to the narrator. Answer false. Rocky often gave chocolates and cashew nuts to the narrator. 3. Rocky took Aunt Ruby to a jeweler's shop for buying an engagement ring. Answer true. 4th. Tuttu followed the narrator to the jeweler's shop without being noticed. Answer true. 5th. Tuttu put some herbs and spices in the wedding cake. Answer false. Tuttu put some red chili sauce, bitter gourd seeds, and a lot of eggshells in the wedding cake. B. Answer the following questions in not more than 30 words each. First, how was grandmother convinced to keep Tutu as a pet? Answer. Grandmother had always wanted a little girl in the house. She believed girls were less troublesome than boys. When she came to know that the Tutu was a little girl monkey, she was convinced to keep her as a pet. Second, why did the narrator follow Aunt Ruby and Rocky secretly to the jeweler's shop? What reason did Tutu have for following them? Answer. As Aunt Ruby did not want to take along the narrator for shopping, the narrator secretly followed them. When Tutu came to know that something important was going to take place, she decided to follow the narrator. Third, why did the people in the bazaar chase Tutu? Answer. The people in bazaar chased Tutu because she had run away with a pearl necklace. Fourth, what did Tutu do with the necklace? How was it restored to the shopkeeper? Answer. Tutu plunged the necklace in a small canal nearby. Rocky dived into the canal, traced the necklace, and returned it to the shopkeeper. Fifth, why do you think some guests were not seen for several days after the marriage? Answer. Tutu had added red chili sauce, bitter gourd seeds, and a lot of eggshells in the wedding cake. The guest may have fallen ill after eating that cake. C. The sentences below given an account of the menace that Tutu created in the bazaar, but the sentences are jumbled. Rearrange them by writing appropriate serial number in the box provided against each sentence. The opening sentence is given. Tutu followed Aunt Ruby and Rocky secretly to the jeweler shops. A. Rocky the jeweler and several people in the market followed her. B. Tutu leapt on the back of scooterist. C. She slipped into the shop without being noticed. D. Tutu rushed out into the market. E. Tutu took the road leading to the narrator's house. F. She then landed on a donkey which panicked and rushed down the road. G. She threw the necklace into a canal. H. Aunt Ruby had the jeweler saw her and tried to grab the necklace. I. Rocky dived into the canal, traced the necklace, and returned into the shopkeeper. She F. J. She took a pearl necklace and put it round her neck. Answers A 5, B 6, C 1, D 4, E 8, F 7, G 9, H 3, I 10, J 2. Hots. Some animals have a sharp mind. They amaze us their actions. Do you think they are able to think in the right direction? Why? Why not? Answer. To some extent, animals can think and they also have feelings of love and emotions. But it doesn't mean that they are always able to think in right direction. It's only humans who have developed their minds to such an extent that they can take right decisions. Life skills. Do you like Tutu? If give a chance, would you like to keep her as a pet? Answer. Yes, I like Tutu in the story, but I don't like her to be my pet because she is mischievous and can cause damage to my belongings. Values. The narrator decided to secretly follow Aunt Ruby and her fiance Rocky to the market. Is he justified in doing that? Answer. No. The narrator was not justified in secretly following Aunt Ruby and her fiance Rocky to the market because she has made it clear that she did not want him around. Moreover, it was because of him that the Tutu followed them and caused a lot of mess at the jeweler's shop. Writing skills. Tutu took a pearl necklace from a jeweler's shop and created a huge mess in the market before finally throwing it into a canal. The jeweler felt quite tense about the whole episode. Write the jeweler's diary entry describing how he felt at Tutu's mischief. Answer. Date Saturday 18 December 2021. Time 8 p.m. Dear Diary. I had never thought in my life that such an incident would occur in my life. My heart beats at faster speed when the picture of that mischievous monkey appears before me. I was busy showing some jewelry to customers when a monkey named Tutu came inside my shop and took a pearl necklace around and created a huge mess in the market before throwing it into a canal. I thought I wouldn't be able to get it back, but the effort of my customer, my Rocky, brought it back. He dived into the canal, traced the necklace, and returned it to me. I would not be able to forget this incident in my life, jeweler. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.